Good afternoon, our precious partners. And by partners, I mean all the booking platforms, institutions, and agencies we have onboarded with us since we have began the journey of student accommodation throughout London. So, I'm here to announce some products that we have been working on since a couple of months. As Umang Gandeja mentioned, that we have expanded our portfolio, which means we have onboarded new residences within our portfolio, which eventually leads to additional rooms. Yes, we have expanded the number of rooms, room types in different locations, which means we are expecting as much bookings as possible, not just directly, but also from our partners, which means all of you who are here and also who are streaming with us online. So, before beginning of this development on the products, we came up with some questions from our partners throughout the world. So, whoever has done booking with us, they have always asked us several times, how can I keep track of the quotes that you are sending to me? How can I even track my invoices? I have to go through hundreds of emails every day just to find one invoice that you have sent to me. Or sometimes the students are asking you, can you send me the gross invoice? Can you send me the net invoice? I have to show it to my parents or I have to show it to my grandparents to make the payments. So, to avoid all the hassle, and also if you have to do a booking with us, you are sending all the details to our sales representative. Further on, they are sending you some options, some quotes. And then you are getting back to us saying that, okay, we are interested to book this room with you. So you see, there is a whole procedure we have to follow. And we have too many people involved just to do one single booking with us. So we came up with a solution to give control to our partners. We want to give a solution to you guys through which you can do your bookings by your hand. And here's the teaser for the partner portal. Partnership perfected, isn't it? Have you ever seen any of the partners who are giving you a very transparent platform through which you can handle your bookings, you can handle any of the documentation that you may require? So, today we are going to discuss the features we have within this portal for our partners and also what's the process. I have added some of the small demos for you which can help all of us understand what the portal is about and how you can proceed with the portal. And also we are going to be sharing with you why do we even need the portal. I mean, yeah, the process was simple. You were sending us the request, we were sending you the codes, and the booking was done. But trust me, we have much more benefits if you start using the portal and you start sending us the bookings. And we also have some amazing future developments that I'm going to be sharing with you. And then if we will have any questions, we will answer that. So, Londonist proudly presents Partner Portal. Please, you should know that this is the first platform where we are announcing and officially launching our Partner Portal to our partners throughout the world. Today I'm going to be discussing with you some important features that we have within the portal. And let's begin with the insights. So, if I am doing any business with anyone, I would love to see how much business I'm earning from them, how much money did I earn, how much commissions did I make, what quotes were sent to me, how many invoices were made by me, and how much bookings I did, how many students I booked with them. So, we are giving you a dashboard through which you can see how much total sales you have done, what are the number of invoices you did with us in the current year, how much commission was earned by you, and how many total booked students you made with us. This is for the current year, but also you have the option, if you want to see your past details, you can do that with simple clicks by entering any date that you can do. If you can see over here, you can explore your details by simple clicks. Just add your dates and there you go. And then you can also see the newest activities we are having in the Londonist. And then you also have your top booked residences. So for each partner, they have different preferences. Maybe some of you want to book with us in East London, some of you want to book with us in North London. So within that, you can see we have mentioned here your top booked residences over here. So it can also help you in future. You would see, and then maybe you prefer Dashwood, but the other partner would prefer Highbury. So you have all these details over here. You can see the percentages of your booked residences with us. And also it can help you to analyze what students are coming to you. And then we have the sales details over here. You can see your daily sales, your monthly sales, and your yearly sales you have done with Londonist. If you can see over here, since this was my user, I only made the booking in April and May, so I'm only seeing that. But if you have done booking with us throughout the year, you will be able to see your sales for each month from Jan till December. And also you can see daily sales. If you see over here, we have dates. We have mentioned how much sales you did on which date with us. And you can see on which day you made more sales with us. And then, just like Umang mentioned about multiple residences, we have in different zones, we have different residences, 35 residences almost. So you can navigate all of them through the map. If you would like to see which residence is located at which place, you can hover around the map, you can see all that. If you see over here, you click on the pin, it will tell you exactly the name of the residence. Or if you would like, you have the list of the residences too. You can click on that and see, okay, so this residence is located over this place, and it can help you guide your student better, because your students are always asking, where is Highbury? What's nearby locations to that? And also, in future, we are also going to pinpoint over here the nearby schools, universities, and schools to this residence. It will help you guide your students in a more efficient way. Also, we have the latest bookings here. You can see the details of the latest booking you have done, the check-in, check-out dates, if the amount has been paid or if it's still due. You can see the amounts here. And here's the interesting part, your latest commissions. You can see how much commission you have made for each invoice. You can also see your commission if it's per type, per week, or if it's percentage, and the last payment date of those invoices, and also, was your commission paid or is it still unpaid? And as you know, the commission is only paid once you make the full payment of the invoice. So it will also help you to follow up with your students in order to make the payments at earliest as possible. You can see the status here for your invoices, if it's unpaid, partially paid, or fully paid. Then we have this section where you can see the best deals. You can hover around, you can see the list of the residences we have, and also the nearby places around that residence. If you can see over here, it shows you that there's a stadium, there's a circus and library, which are how much minutes away from the residence, and also the facilities that they have in the residence. You can see all of them through this card. How it will help you? That's the main question. It can help you to guide your students, because as a student, when I moved to another country, I knew nothing. I only knew the name of the university and the city where it belongs to. I didn't know about the commute. I didn't know the nearby places. So this can be a really good portal for you to help your students understand this better. Then we have the make and track your request. So what happens is, when you are sending us the inquiries, you are sending us your student details, we are filling the form, we are sending you the codes, we are trying to make this process a lot more smoother and streamlined for you. So Here we are giving you the control and also the access to see the rooms we have available within the portal. So instead of us driving in, checking the rooms and sending you, a possible request, what you can do here is you can also explore the inquiries that you have sent in the past just by adding your student ID. Here comes the Start Request module, from where you can explore the rooms that we have available within the portal. How you can do that? You can simply enter the check-in, check-out dates, find your rooms, and it will show you the available rooms we have in Londonist. So we are trying to be as transparent as we can with you. So you have the control now. You can see the list of the rooms. You can select the rooms whatever you like or whatever the student may prefer. They can pick Silver Studio, they can pick Bronze and Suite lower levels. You can select one room, multiple rooms depending on your student's preference. Now all you need to do is enter the details for us to keep track of that request, and also you have to enter the first name, last name, the phone number, email address for the future contacts to be done with the student. You are not forced to enter your student details. We understand that some of the partners prefer to enter their details rather than the student's details. You can add your name, you can add your contact number and email address. We will receive your request and our sales agent will be sending you the codes. This is one of the features that we are giving to our partners, which is send and create code. So you don't have to wait for our sales agent to receive your inquiry and send you the code. You have all the option in the portal to find the room, to add the details, to create the code, and eventually send the code to your student. You don't have to wait any further. If you would want, you can select the provider, which means a residence. You can also select the residence we have and check-in, check-out dates. Simply find your room and send the code to your student. You don't have to wait for our sales agent to contact you back and then proceed further. Then we have instant bookings. A lot of our partners want to book residence with us very quickly and they want to reserve the room. So you also have the option to do that within the portal. All you need to do is find the room by yourself, which one you like, and then place your request, reserve your confirmation, and simply make your deposit payment, which is £250. And all you need to do is follow these steps and your booking will be done. Your room will be reserved with Londonist. No one can take that room away from you or from your student. Make the payments. So, some of you may be thinking, what payments are we talking about? What payment do we need to make? So, for some institutions and booking platforms and also agencies, sometimes they are making payments on behalf of their students. So, we have given you the option to track the invoices and also make the payments on behalf of your students. If you would like, if you wouldn't like, that's also fine. You can also follow up with your students and ask them to make the payments on the due dates. Here are the invoices. We often get the concern from our partners that you sent me the invoice yesterday, can you send it back to me? I cannot find it in my email. Or sometimes they are saying, I cannot even find any email through which you send me the invoice. So, all you need to do is, you have to go to the portal, just click on My Invoices, and there you go. You have the list of all your invoices, your past invoices, your present, and also, if you would like, your future invoices that you will receive once you make the payment with us. Yeah. If you see over here, I have tried to search an invoice that I have to send to my student. Once I click on any one of the invoice, I can see how much payment the student needs to make, what's the due date of that payment. You also have the list of all your invoices, and if you would like, we also have, you see the due date is shown over here very clearly. You can see your payments, you can see your outstanding amount, You can see the amount that the student has paid, and also what's the status of that invoice. And also you have the access to download the net and gross invoices straight away through the portal. Like I said, you don't have to wait for our sales agent to get back to you. Imagine you are sitting in China, you want to make a booking with us, and you are waiting for us to be online and our sales agent to give back response to you. You don't have to wait any further. All you need to do is simply go to the portal, book with us, get your code, get your invoice, and done. The commissions part. So, we are also giving you access to keep track of all your commissions. So for all the invoices that you have made payment with us, you can keep track of all the commissions, how much commission is paid to you, how much commission is still left, or when the commission will be paid to you based on the payments for the invoices. Again, I will say if you have made the full payment, if the student has made the full payment for the invoice, you will be getting the commission and it will be paid. Now, additional services. So, imagine if you have a student coming from, let's say, China to London. The student is saying, I need a room. You have booked the room with us. Now, the student is also struggling to book flight tickets or to book airport transfers, or he needs his room to be cleaned. You don't have to go to any other partner or to any other service provider. You have Londonist. So, I would also like to announce that we have officially partnered with Kayak, which is a flight ticket provider. You can go in there in the portal. You will have the option to book your flight tickets of your student from the portal. So you have booked the student room with us. You have also booked their flight tickets with us, and also you have the airport transfer services. So, all in one solution we are giving to you. Your room for your students, of course, and also you have the flight tickets for them, you also have the airport transfers for them. And if you would like, the students are sometimes saying that I want my room to be cleaned, you also have those services in the portal. We also have a wide range of products in the portal. The students can buy kitchen packs, kitchen electricals, appliances, and bathroom products for their rooms during the time that they are staying in Londonist accommodation. Okay, now, here's the interesting part. So, some of our partners have tiers, they have hierarchies. How? They have main branch, and then they have sub-branches, and also they have users. By users, we mean they have sometimes sales agents who are working under them. So, we have a whole hierarchy. Let's say we have Londonist Accommodation Agency, which is the main branch. Then Londonist Accommodation Agency also has Turkey, London, China, and each branch also has some sales agents who are doing sales for them. So, you will have access to all of it. You can see as a booking platform. Let's say my East region has done 10 bookings. My West region has done only 5 bookings. You can also see how much amount they have made, how much commission they have earned, how many students they have booked for you. So, that's all we have developed in the partner portal, but we also have some amazing future developments. For example, we are going to have partners, targets, and badges, and you will be also able to book London attractions, bus tours, and train tickets, and you will have the room availability for all residences. You will be able to see what is the availability ratio for all the residences or room types. Maybe you can have group bookings. You can see, okay, 50% is available in, let's say, Highbury, or 10% is available in North Lodge, so you can make your request with us accordingly. And then we will also have tailored promotions and campaigns for each partner differently. We will also be adding the reports module that can help you identify how much sales you have done, or in which areas you can improve for yourself to make more bookings with us. And also, we have some surprising features that we will be revealing in our next phase. Okay, so partners, targets, and badges. We have some targets for our partners. And by partners, again, I will say I mean all the booking platforms, all the institutions, and all the agencies. We have 3 badges: platinum, gold, and silver. So the badge will be given to each partner based on the targets that they have met. We have some set benchmark. You have to meet them in order to get that badge. But what will happen once you have received your badge? We will celebrate, and then we also have some benefits for you. For each badge, the commission is going to vary. Of course, if you earn the platinum, you will get more commission. If you earn gold or silver, the commissions will vary accordingly. We also have some other benefits for the agencies based on the badge and targets they have earned. So, to summarize the partner portal, what we have done is we are trying to break all the barriers we have. We are trying to give a streamlined, a smooth portal and platform to all our agencies through which they can make as much sales with us, as much booking with us as possible. And I will be showing you the overview of the complete portal that I have just described to you. But you don't need to worry. When you will start using the portal, we have also added user guides for each and every module. So all you need to do is start using the portal with us, and you have to just go to user guides. Simple. If you want to see how can you make the quote, you have to just click one button. You can see all the steps. If you want to know how you can create the request, how you can see the insights, or what is the total sales, what is the booked students, each and every details are there in the portal. All you need to do is start using the portal with us. As Umang mentioned, that what are the students and their parents looking for? They are looking for the pricing, they are looking for the safety, accessibility, and also students to communicate with each other in a better way. Why we have developed the portal is the exact reason. We want them to feel safe, secure, and all in one solution. I mean, we are giving them residence, we are giving them flight tickets, we are giving them airport transfer, cleaning services, and also London attractions. And they can also buy any kind of product they would want. So, moving on, we have one more product to announce here. Again, I will say, this is the first platform where we are announcing another product, for our resident, which means our students. You will feel the vibe will completely change when I will move to the next product. Hi, it's pink. It's as vibrant as our students. So, who are the ambassadors of Londonist? Of course, our students. We are launching ambassador application for our students. How it is related to our partners, you must be wondering, and if you are not, you should be. So, how it is related is a simple question. Imagine if a student comes to Londonist through, let's say, Awesome Airturk is an agency, and a student comes through Awesome Airturk to Londonist. Now, eventually, the student also becomes an ambassador, and by being an ambassador means we are opening the doors for that student to additional benefits. And if he earns much more benefits, that means that student is going to recommend maybe 10, 20 more students to your agency, to Awesome Airturk, and then Awesome Airturk can recommend not one, but also 10, 20, 30 students with just the references. So, what is the ambassador application, how it can work, and why we even needed that? So it's an application for our students to become our ambassadors. They can we will be assigning them some tasks that they have to finish. And why we needed to develop the ambassador application? It's simple, to give extra credit and be closer to our students. The process is very much simple. If I'm a student and I'm living abroad, away from my country or my home, if I get the opportunity to earn more money or more coins or points, it will be, a wonderful platform for me. So, the process is simple. We are going to be assigning some tasks to the students who are going to be our ambassadors. Based on the completion of each task, we are going to give them some points. And those points can be redeemable within the student portal. Any student who is our resident also has an account in their student portal. Just like we are launching partner portal for you, we already have a student portal for our students. So they can redeem those points and buy products or services from there. So, this is how the students can engage with each other. It's not just simple assign them questions or assign them some tasks and them submitting those tasks to us. We are also giving them a platform to engage with each other, to socialize with each other. And how they can do this is they can ask the questions or create poll. Imagine I'm a student, I go to another country and I can ask them, do you know a marketplace which is a bit reasonable near, let's say, East London? He will simply post the question, and all the other residents we have, all the other ambassadors we have, they can go through that question and give him the responses. So it's like a very mini social media platform. And then they can also get notified for all the tasks they have submitted and verified with us, and they will be updated for new campaigns and promotions. Referrals. So each ambassador also has the option to refer any other student to us. For all those referrals, of course, they are going to gain more points, which means extra money. The benefits of ambassador application is, of course, to engage ourselves with the students, but also to get valuable feedback and insight from the students. We don't know what's the perspective of the students who are residing into our residences. We do not know how they feel about the environment, the residences, or if they are having any problems. So this application can help us to be more closer to our students. And we are trying to build a small community of our students for Londonist, and it can help us to increase the brand awareness and also engage influence, cost-effective marketing, brand loyalty and advocacy, of course, because this is how we are going to build trust of our partners and also of our students. And to summarize, also ambassador, we have a small visuals to show you how the application is going to work or how it is going to be beneficial for you. With these innovations, what we are trying to do is we are trying to connect all the dots for Londonist. Ambassadors, which means our students, and also our partners are the assets of Londonist. We are doing the business, we are providing the services with their help and also for the students. So both of these platforms or applications and portal are going to help us to achieve our goal with them. So, if you have any questions regarding portal or ambassador application, I'm here to give you responses on that.
One, you provide travel organization like ticketing and what
Airport transfers. Yes.
Do you pay any commissions for the agent?
Yes, apologies, I missed to mention that, but yes, of course, for any additional service or any product you buy from Londonist through the portal, you are going to get commission for that. Yes, of course.
You. And another question is, if the students sometimes cannot decide in time, you know, you said once you students decide to residence, if you pay or if we pay £50, you reserve the reservation in certain time to the sometimes. But do you provide any service without reservation, without paying any reservation, temporary reservation?
So I think for that question, I think Umang is the best person to answer that. So the process is to book or to reserve the room. The complete process is this: you have to pay $250 deposit in order for us to confirm the booking, to secure the room for you. But I think in those cases, yes.
The plug that mentioned about the platinum, gold, and then the silver partners. For what we are thinking to reduce the deposit or the service fee on the platinum agencies or the gold agencies. So this is the question that we need to consider. But for the basic direct students, we need to take the deposit. But when it comes to partners, we may reveal we may not take the deposits. Thank you.
Does anyone else have any questions?
Thank you for the presentation. Considering all the competitors in the market, we always see that London is always taking the leadership by having such features. I was wondering what drives Londonist to develop such innovative products?
For Londonist, I think the assets are our partners and also our students. As you can see, we have our partners joining us here for the Info Day and also on online streaming. We also have students onboarded with us. So, you know, the essence of Londonist works like this. We are working for them, so we are always trying to make their lives easier and also to streamline their processes, their bookings with us. So these are the two factors that drive us to work on such innovative products. And of course, the amazing team behind, you know, all these innovations, from business, management, operations, IT, each and every sales, every department is completely engaged to work on such products. Thank you.